Imagine a place so dark, so starved of oxygen, that most animals would suffocate within minutes. Now imagine a creature that doesn't just survive there, it thrives. Meet the vampire squid. Not a vampire, not a squid, but one of the most mysterious animals ever discovered. The deep ocean is not empty. It is hostile, silent, and brutally unforgiving. Below 1,000 meters, sunlight disappears completely. Temperatures drop near freezing. Oxygen levels fall so low that most life cannot exist. This region is known as the oxygen minimum zone, a biological dead zone. And yet, something lives there. Something with glowing eyes, dark red skin, and a name that sounds like it came from a horror novel. Scientists call it Vampirotuthis infernalis, which translates to the vampire squid from hell. Despite the terrifying name, the truth about this creature is far more fascinating than fiction. The vampire squid is not actually a squid. It is also not an octopus. It is the only known living member of an ancient evolutionary line, meaning it has no close modern relatives. In evolutionary terms, it is a living fossil. It grows to about 30 centimeters long, not massive, not monstrous. But its survival strategy is what makes it extraordinary. Its body is dark red to black, allowing it to remain nearly invisible in deep water. Its eyes are enormous relative to its size, among the largest eyes in the animal kingdom. Those eyes are not designed to see color. They are designed to detect the faintest movement of light in total darkness. Most ocean creatures avoid the oxygen minimum zone. The vampire squid lives there permanently. This region exists between 600 and 1,200 meters deep. Oxygen levels are so low that fish entering this zone often suffocate. The vampire squid evolved a unique blood chemistry that binds oxygen far more efficiently than almost any other animal. Its metabolism is incredibly slow. It does not chase prey. It does not waste energy. In the deep sea, energy efficiency means survival. The name comes from its defensive posture. When threatened, the vampire squid performs a behavior scientist called a pineapple pose. It flips its webbed arms upward, covering its body in a dark cloak of skin. Sharp, spine-like structures, not true spines, become visible along its arms. To a predator, this suddenly makes the vampire squid appear larger, darker, and dangerous. It doesn't attack. It intimidates. This display, combined with bioluminescent flashes, is often enough to confuse or scare away predators. Instead of ink like other cephalopods, the vampire squid releases clouds of glowing mucus. These particles emit blue light and can remain glowing for several minutes. In the pitch-black deep sea, this creates chaos. Predators become distracted. Their vision is overwhelmed, and the vampire squid slowly drifts away. No chase, no violence, just survival through intelligence. Here is where the vampire squid becomes truly unique. It does not hunt live prey. Instead, it feeds on marine snow. Marine snow is a constant rain of organic debris falling from the upper ocean, dead plankton, waste particles, microscopic remains of life. Using two long, sticky filaments, the vampire squid collects this material and rolls it into small food masses. This makes it one of the only known detritivorous cephalopods on Earth. While other predators fight for food, the vampire squid eats what everyone else ignores. Fossil evidence suggests ancestors of the vampire squid existed over 300 million years ago. That means this lineage survived. Mass extinctions, climate shifts, ocean collapses. While entire species vanished, this creature adapted. It didn't grow stronger. It didn't grow faster. It grew smarter. Studying the vampire squid is extremely difficult. Its habitat is deep, dark, and expensive to reach. Most observations come from remotely operated vehicles and rare live captures. When brought to the surface, many specimens do not survive due to pressure and temperature changes. This makes every recorded observation incredibly valuable. Each video, each image, adds to our understanding of a creature that refuses to reveal itself easily. No, the vampire squid poses zero threat to humans. It has no venom. It has no aggressive behavior. It does not attack. Its name sounds terrifying, but it is one of the most peaceful creatures in the ocean. The danger lies not in the creature, but in the environment it calls home. The vampire squid is proof that life does not need comfort to survive. It thrives in near zero oxygen, complete darkness, extreme pressure. Scientists study it to understand climate change resilience, low oxygen ecosystem survival, evolutionary efficiency. As oxygen poor zones expand due to warming oceans, creatures like the vampire squid may become increasingly important to study. The vampire squid is not a monster. It is not a myth. It is a master of survival. In a world where speed and strength dominate, it chose patience, efficiency, and adaptation. It lives where almost nothing else can. It eats what others ignore, and it has survived for hundreds of millions of years. In the deepest darkness of the ocean, the vampire squid remains quiet, ancient, and undefeated.